The Thumb Game is a Japanese urban legend about a 20-year-old murdered woman. When her body was found, only her left thumb was missing. The goal of the ritual game is to find her thumb. If you succeed, you will be granted one wish, but if you fail, sit in a circle. Take the left thumb of the person on your right. The person to your left should grab your left thumb. Do not let go of the thumb. Close your eyes and imagine you are beside the murdered woman. Do not open your eyes. Say the following chant twice. Oyeyubi, Oyeyubi, hear our voices. Oyeyubi, Oyeyubi, grant our wish. You will see a room with one candle. Immediately begin to look for the thumb. You can only search as long as the candle is burning. While searching, you may feel someone tap you on the shoulder 2 times. Do not look behind you. If you find the severed thumb, hold it tightly. To return to the woman's body, you must blow out the candle. If you do not find the thumb, blow the candle out anyway. It is important not to stay in the room. You can become trapped.